Ensuring you have plenty of light at camp is essential, and these days, there's no shortage of options when it comes to LED camp lights. But I guarantee you've never seen a camp light quite like this one. This is the off-road LED camping light from Off-Road Designs, and it's one of the most versatile and effective camp lights on the market. Forget strip lights. These off-road LED camping lights will absolutely turn night into day. The 12 volt 25 watt light itself is IP66 water and dust resistant and can be connected directly to your battery via the supplied crocodile clips or via your 4-wheel drive cigarette socket. The extra long 9-meter lead means that you can position this light wherever it's most needed at your campsite. It's also dimmable and can be operated from the supplied remote control, meaning there's no need to get out of your camp chair if you need to adjust the light. The thing that makes this light so different to everything else on the market is that it comes with this tripod stand that features a 180-degree top ball attachment. Not only does this tripod stand make positioning your light really easy, but look at this. It also extends to a massive 3 meters in height, which allows you to spread light over your entire campsite. Just one of these off-road LED camping lights will throw out enough light for your whole campsite. They really are unlike anything else out there. So visit 4x4designs.com.au and grab yourself one today.